now I'm gonna show you how to do the lacy daisy stitch. So I'm gonna start from here, bring my needle up from the back, then hold the knot because I'm gonna poke right in the same hole that I just made. So make sure you're not poking the knot because it's gonna make a mess. So bring the needle down, hold your thread here with your left finger. Make sure it's not twisted. Bring your needle up across the stitch you just made according to the length of your pattern or whichever you choose, and hold your thread with your finger. Now bring your needle inside the loop and now pull it all the way to your right. Pull it gently, and now your next stitch is gonna go right next to the one you just made, making sure you're tucking in the loop of thread inside the stitch we're gonna make, okay? That way you secure your stitch. Bring it down very gently. You don't want to pull too tight. Bring your needle all the way up. Make sure that you're bringing your needle up without pulling too tight. Just hold your loop. Bring your needle up across the one you just made. Hold your loop with your finger so you don't twist it, and bring your needle down the loop and pull it up to your right very gently. And now poke your needle, tucking in the thread in right next to the stitch you came out of, okay? And put it down very gently. Hold the way you keep your loops and continue. Just make sure that your lacy daisy stitches are in a new piece. Like, don't stitch through the same hole of your other lacy daisy stitches because it's gonna get very hard to pass your needle through. However, it will happen. Just make sure you hold your fabric with your fingers when you're pulling tie. That way you don't pull and undo your fabric and your hoop and all of it, okay? So just pull it while holding, okay? Make sure you see that your loop is not twisted. Bring it all the way up from the back. And now tuck your stitch inside. Tuck your loop inside the stitch. Next one. You see? With practice, then you're gonna be able just to, hold it like this. Make sure it's not, twisted. Bring it all the way up very gently to keep your loops, and tuck your loop with your stitch. Now, this is how it looks on the back. In this case, because you have that knot, you can also, tuck your thread underneath